If you want to turn on or turn off vibration for notification alerts on your iPhone 16e, here are 3 ways of doing this. So the first one is to use our action button. It's right on the left side, and this button is a specific feature for this iPhone 16e. So to put in our silent mode and turn on or turn off our vibrations, we have to hold it just for 1 second, and this will help us to switch between different modes, like you see, silent and not silent. Easy as that. The next variant is through your accessibility. So open up your settings, then find your accessibility. In your accessibility, let's find our touch. Right now in our touch, we gotta find our vibration. So there it is. If it is enabled, you will have it. If it's not, disable it. So great. The next thing is through our sound settings. So once again, open up our settings. Now we gotta find our sound and haptics. Open that up. Then we gotta find our ringtone. Tap here, choose your haptics, and make sure that it's set on anything except for the none. So you can choose your vibration patterns, of course, if you want to. Basically, that's it. Make sure that it's activated, and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.